please remember, make a difference. That when you leave this world, you can say, Lord, I stood for you. Hindi ko po kayo nakalimutan, Lord. I tried my best to serve you. I tried my best to be good. That's the greatest assurance for us, that we followed the Lord. We did not follow the world. Mahirap po ang maging tunay na Kristiyano. You go against the world. Iba po. You make a difference. Paano bang Tagalog nun? Meron kang pagkakaiba. Parang gano'n. Tignan mo nga yung katabi mo, mukhang may diferensya ba yan? Ay, ibang tamang word. Parang may... But come to think of it, that's precisely what happens if you follow the Lord. In the eyes of the world, you're crazy. May topak ka. May toyo ka. Why? Look at this. The Lord, if you follow the Lord, He tells you, love your enemies. The world tells you, you fight back your enemies. So, ang hirap ito. Do good to those who hate you. And then, pray for those who mistreat you. Those who strike you on one cheek, give the other cheek. Di ba? Pag pinanatan ako dito, susuntukin ko na, Father. Kung binato ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay. Sige, Father, yung tinapay nasa loob ng garapon. Ganon, parang hindi natin it's really, you think of the gospel today, wow. In short, if you follow the Lord, two things. Lugi ka. Lugi in English is you're shortchanged. No? Parang lugi ka talaga. And you're stupid. Katangahan na yan. Those who follow Christ, in simple words, if you follow Him, lugi ka na, tanga ka pa sa mata ng mundo. It's not easy to follow the Lord.